Power switch. This button controls the upper belt to rise slowly.
When clicked, the spiral rotates will make the upper belt to rise.
This button controls the upper belt to descend slowly.
Adjust the belt speed here.
The upper and lower belts are controlled by the same motor, so the two belts will not be offset.
There is a ruler here so you can adjust the height of the upper belt according to the thickness of the material.
This button stops the belt.
Rotate the switch to adjust the belt speed. The two belts each contain a wooden board, and there are multiple iron bars round the board to protect it. There is an iron rod every 200 mm to protect the wooden board. There are iron bars protecting the wooden boards of the upper and lower belts.